One of the properties in CSS that is often overlooked is the cursor property. And it might be because people really don't have that often a cause to use it, but it gives you the very, very powerful ability to control the display of the cursor. In the case of our horizontal menu, that means that we can give the appearance that the link is disabled. So we're going to finish up our horizontal menu by working on the horizontal.htm from the 04_08 directory. And this is an incredibly simple fix. I'm going to go into the current class selector, and I'm just going to create a brand new line at the bottom of that. I'm going to type in cursor, and you've got a lot of different choices. And this is the one time that I'm going to reference some of Dreamweaver's visual tools because the auto hinting allows me to do this. Look at all the different choices you have for cursors. You have help, you have the resize, you have none, which can be really frustrating, pointer, which is going to give you the hand. Now, wait, which is, of course, going to give you a little hourglass, depending upon the browser, or the beach ball, depending upon which platform you're on. You need to be very, very careful about using this because you can fool people into believing something is what it is not. You know, it's nice if you are linking to maybe a frequently asked question or linking to a live chat agent to use the little help icon. That's actually kind of nice. However, if you have a text box, for example, and you change the cursor to the resize, your users are going to assume they can resize that. And if they can't, they're going to get very upset. So remember, it's kind of nice that you can do this stuff, but you want to be very careful about how you utilize this property. So I'm going to just choose default, which is going to give me any user agent's default cursor, which is typically not the hand pointer. So I'm going to save this and then go back into a browser and preview this page. And now notice as I browse over my menu items that the hand icon, the pointer, comes up to let me know that it's an active link. But when I browse over home, it goes back to that default arrow. So it looks just like anywhere else on the page, and it really looks like that link is deactivated. The link is not inactive. It still works. If I were to click on that and I actually had a home page, it would take me to it. Okay, so the usability issue still exists that if somebody is not using a mouse, for example, and they tab through your links, that is still considered an active link and it's still going to work. Now, for the most part, within a menu, just indicating your current page, that's no harm, no foul. But there are going to be times when you're going to want to actively disable that link. If you want to do that, you're going to have to turn towards a more robust solution such as JavaScripting. So that's one of the things that you'll want to think about before you begin changing the display of the cursor.